is going on, y'all? Welcome back to the channel, man. How y'all doing today? I hope y'all doing good. I'm doing good. You know what I'm saying? It's a good day. It's a beautiful day. The weather ain't the best. It's raining and sunning. It's that weird weather. But for the most part, we're going to make the best out of it. Now, today's video, bro, we added more camber. You feel me? We added more camber to the car. Now, if y'all remember my other video, I think it's the one before the exhaust, if I'm mistaken, or it's in the whatever. Either way, I said I needed to add more camber to the car, especially the rears. You know what I'm saying? Because I'm rubbing. The car is a little dirty right now. I hate this weather. But either way, I have an aggressive ass wheel setup, right? So I literally had to rotate my tire. These are the front tires I put in the back because they had balled out from rubbing on the fender. You can see these are slowly rubbing too, right? So we gotta camber this -2.5. It's currently at 1.5, but we gotta go to oh my god, this shit's dirty. We definitely gotta go -2.5 so we can get the clearance we need. Literally, bro, it pokes so much, and I feel like just a little bit more camber will do it justice. You feel me? So we're gonna go -2.5 in the rears, and we're gonna go -2 in the front. The front is currently at 1.5. Well, the whole car is currently at 1.5, but we're gonna go -2 in the front, -2.5 in the back. It should let the car sit just a little bit lower. You feel me? It should let it sit a little bit lower, but we gonna see. But make sure y'all go follow your boy on Instagram, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna leave you somewhere here. Go follow me on Instagram right here, right? When you follow me, make sure you're gonna like my new picture. All right? I got a reel uploading around like 2 o'clock-ish. I'm gonna be editing. Obviously, it's gonna be out before this fucking video. But for the most part, is make sure you go like that reel. Make sure you go follow your boy on Instagram, man, for all of my not even background, what I do when I'm not uploading videos. Feel me? Car shows, reels, whatever, pictures. Make sure you go follow my page on Instagram, bro. Now I'm saying it's truly zGappie. Go follow it. All right, let's head out to this shop and see what's going on. All right, so we currently at the shop. You know what I'm saying? Y'all been at this shop before. Poppy about to go in and get me, right? This is literally, he adjusted the coilovers, adjusted the camber, did everything for me the first time. So I brought the car back now, different, without all the spoilers and everything. It was just the wheel and the coilover last time I came. So Poppy about to go in, -2.5 in the back, -2 in the front, bro. Yeah, man, I can't wait to see this baby. I feel like it's gonna look so good. I know it's gonna look so good. It's like, I just can't wait. But we're gonna see what magic Poppy do, bro. We're gonna get the car right. The exhaust is still being, I can't talk for shit. Exhaust is still being made. They're just waiting on me to order the materials. But for the most part, I wanted to deal with this first because I hated the fact that my tires was rubbing on the fender. So once we deal with this, we're going straight to the exhaust, man. So stay tuned. Let's see how this come out after we're done, all right? So quick little update. So apparently the back was already at 2.5. You know what I'm saying? The back was already at 2.5. The front is at a 1.5. So we're gonna leave the front at a 1.5, and we're gonna go big 3.5 in the back. Now, I don't know how it's gonna feel. 3.5 in the back, or how it's gonna look. But listen, big tilt. So we're gonna go 3.5 in the back, and we're gonna see what it is, man. Oh man, I can't wait to see this. 3.5 in the back. The crazy part, I thought it was at 1.5 in the back, but shit, it was already at 2.5, and I was still rubbing. So 3.5 it is, man. I might make Poppy used to do the rest of the exhaust too. So stay tuned for that. Once the exhaust is done, we might come back here and do the rest of it, bro. So sheesh, big 3.5. So the car is tilted, you know what I'm saying? Now you can see the big difference. There's literally a big difference from what it was before it went in. We got the clearance right, and the car squats just a little bit better. I love it, you know what I'm saying? I definitely love it. You can see from the side. You can see it from the side, it's more tilted. You know what I mean? 3.5 for the win, man. 3.5 for the win. If you ever got a Camry, you go in my setup, 3.5 camber in the rear, 1.5 in the front. If you want to go 2 in the front, you could too, but we finally got the clear that we needed, and we definitely got it. You know what I mean? Fenders inside is already rolled, so I ain't got nothing to worry about. Still 1 finger gap. You know what I'm saying? I love it, man. I definitely love it. Probably definitely got me right. The car squats a little bit better, even though it's on a little slope too, but for the most part, I definitely love it, man. Hey, let me go get this payment through, bro. But all I can say is, the car look fucking beautiful. Crazy. Crazy. All right, y'all. So we just got home. Camry's all cleaned up. Shout out to my boy Yankee. We ain't touch the front, but that back though, that -3.5 in the back though, sheesh. You know what I'm saying? I can't even lie. I love it, bro. Low key, I think we should go a little bit lower too. I don't know. Let's see if I get bored in a month and a half. What I think about, cause most part, I'm literally, this is the height I want. My fenders already roll, so it's not like I'm gonna be hitting nothing. The fenders roll on the inside, so that's good at least. But for the most part, bro, this is the height you want to go on. You want to get a finger in there, bro. It's only like this right now because this is like elevated. This is more down, and the other side is up. So this side, that side is higher. This side is down. But that's the height we want. That's the height we want right there, bro. We're gonna get it in the front. The front's already low. My shield is literally scraping, and my front lip is scraped all the way up. But we need more low, bro. We're gonna go more low. You know what I'm saying? Definitely satisfied with how the car is coming. Literally what we gotta do next is the side skirts, exhaust, bro. And we save for the winter, bro. Winter, I got a lot of shit planned for the winter, bro. Interior mods, new carpets, trunk setup. We're gonna go crazy for the winter, bro. So if y'all boys wanna see all that, make sure y'all like the video, bro. Make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel so whenever I post, you get notification, bro. It's your boy Truly Z, and I'm out of here.
I just like the sound.